60 days late payment from Amazon KDP, right? They pay you 60 days after the fact, meaning when you make your sales, you don't get those royalties for 60 days later. And you have to be, especially in the beginning, you have to be really good at being able to weather that financial hiccup, so to speak. And it's more so mental than anything else, because you have to be able to just like, okay, well, I've started making some money here. I'm not going to see this money, which I desperately need, for 60 more days. So what do I do in those 60 days? Well, the activities that you do in that 60 days until you're waiting for your paycheck are all the free activities that you can do in this business. And here's the best thing about it is this business you can do pretty much for like zero cost in the most part. There's literally so much you can do for free in this business now because of AI that we couldn't do before. So during that 60-day window, and me thinking back to it, like when we were going through that, during that 60-day window, when we're waiting for those paychecks to come in, you're just learning how to do other aspects of this business that don't require money. And there's a ton of them. And you're learning how to do those things and you get better at those things. And then when you get money, you can use it to speed things up or do a little bit more of what you were trying to do before. And then it keeps compounding like we talked about at the very, very beginning. One of the biggest things that you have to really do in this business is you can't think about it monthly. You have to really stretch your thinking and think about it quarterly, right? Because the monthly, you make $5,000 this month, but you got paid 2, but your ad spend was 3. You got paid 2 because 60 days ago, 2 months ago, you made $2,000, but then you made 5, right? Because you started scaling up because of ads. It's a juggling thing. So you can't really think about it monthly. You have to like, okay, well, how am I doing for the quarter? What's the quarter looking like? Okay, how did I do this quarter over last quarter? If you look at it from a bigger time frame, it starts to make a lot more sense and it's a lot easier to manage up here. Because if it's easier to manage up here, it's easier to manage on paper because you have more clarity.